Dang. Hey everybody, welcome back. New day, new Tumbler project. So if you've been watching for a while, or if you're new but you stick around to watch a few of my recent videos, you'll know that my favorite YouTube creator is Anthony Crammon. Recently he did a video where he tested gouache paints for the first time.
Gouache.
And I had I can't call it a conversation, but we exchanged a couple messages, and I asked him if he could pick only two kinds of paint from the three paints, the three being acrylic or watercolor or gouache. If he could only pick two of those to keep, and you know, there was a law that said you can only have two, not three, which one would he get rid of? And I was expecting it to be the gouache. To my surprise, he said he would keep the gouache and ditch the watercolors. I can't explain why exactly that surprised me, but it did. So I thought, well, I've never tried gouache. I've watched other videos about it, and nothing about those videos convinced me it was something I really wanted to try. But given what he said and his video, which I will link to below, definitely watch it if you haven't, I'm gonna give this a shot. But we're gonna do it on a tumbler because it's what I do here. I picked up one of the sets he had in his video, the dry gouache, and I haven't tried that yet, and I will in a future video. If you want to see it here, let me know in the comments. Probably do something with both of these over on the other channel. After I got this, I was thinking, well, yeah, I'm sure it's beautiful, but at the same time, I wonder if they make metallics or iridescence or shimmers. So I went online and I looked around, and sure enough, Arteza, who makes every art supply under the sun, makes gouache in metallics. So I got this set. There are 12 in here, and I'm going to pick some out to use because what I'm going to do is put one of these stencils I got off AliExpress onto this 30 thick that I painted matte black. And I'm going to paint on it using these metallic gouache paints. And we're going to see how it turns out. Okay, I have taped the stencil onto the tumbler. Put out some paint. See what we have. This is the emerald green. This is the sage green. It's the rose pink. Or no, sorry, bubblegum pink. And the rose white. Okay, I have some water. I have my brushes. Let's just see what happens. This is all going to be fast mo without any talking. So here we go. Go ahead and get out some other colors. I'm going to get out the pearl apricot, pearl cerulean blue, and the pearl lavender. I'm getting out the gold just because I can. All right. I think I'm done fiddling. It does take layering very well, which surprises me. I guess that's why it's sort of midway between watercolor and acrylic. I'm going to let everything dry, and then I will take the tape off here on camera, and we will see what we ended up with. So stay tuned. While the cup is off drying, I thought, since I have all this paint out on my palette, I'm going to swatch what I have left on black and white paper. This is considered sketchbook or mixed media. There they are, all 12 colors from the Arteza Metallic Gouache collection. All right, now we'll come back when the cup is dry. Okay, everything's dry. Let's see how this looks without the stencil. Hopefully I won't lose any of my black spray paint, but we'll find out. I'm losing my gouache is what I'm losing. Dang. That is so pretty. It could use a little touching up, but I really like it. I think this probably looks prettier on camera than it does in person, but I'm not unhappy with it. Because this is, I believe, reactivatable with water, I will seal it with a layer of Camar finish from Krylon that won't reactivate the paint. And then after that's on, I will put another layer over it with a Rust-Oleum 2X matte clear spray because the resin likes that. So that when I put the layer of resin over the top, it won't get repelled by the paints or the sealer. So the next time you see this, it should be out in the sunshine for the big reveal. Stay tuned.